Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a phone number to your Ubisoft account. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Ubisoft website. Click on the login button and then enter your email address and password. Then click sign in. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, select Account Management. On the Account Management page, you'll see various options like account information, security settings, privacy settings, and more. Click on Account Information. In the Account Information section, find the Edit button under the Private Information section and click on it. Look for the option to add a phone number and click on Add a phone number. Enter your phone number in the provided field and follow the prompts to complete the 2-step verification. After entering your phone number and completing verification, click Add, and your phone will be now added to your Ubisoft account for more security. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.